Hi, we're at Homewood Ski Area in South Lake Tahoe, California. Most people come here to go skiing, but we're here today to do some carpool chemistry. Today, we're going to learn how to calculate the molar mass of a compound. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a compound, just as the name tells you. Well, today we're going to find out what the molar mass of copper nitrate is. As we could see, copper nitrate, a mole of copper nitrate has 1 mole of copper, 2 moles of nitrogen, and 6 moles of oxygen. We know the mass of each mole of element from the periodic table. For example, copper, the mass of 1 mole of copper is 63.55. The mass of 1 mole of nitrogen is 14.01, and the mass of 1 mole of oxygen is 16.00. Let's put them all together in the formula copper nitrate. In order to make it so that we don't leave anything out, let's do this in a nice, neat, orderly fashion. Using dimensional analysis, or want is equal to have times factors, we can calculate the mass of each element in this compound. For example, the grams of copper is equal to 1 mole of copper times, and of course from our periodic table, the atomic mass of copper is 63.55 grams per mole. Gives you 63.55 grams of copper in a mole of this copper nitrate. The grams of nitrogen in this mole of copper nitrate would be equal to 2 moles of nitrogen times 14.01 grams per mole is equal to 28.02 grams of nitrogen. And then finally the mass of oxygen, well, there's 3 oxygens in each package of our nitrate ion. This formula calls for 2 of these packages. Therefore, that gives us 6 moles of oxygen. So the grams of oxygen is equal to 6 moles times, and for oxygen, we clock in at 16.00 grams per mole, giving us 48.00 grams of oxygen. These are the masses of the different components of this compound here: copper, nitrogen, and oxygen. To find out the mass of the entire mole of copper nitrate, we simply add up these 3 values, and we come up with 139.57 grams of copper nitrate. Speaking of which, what chemical compound did the chemist mention when he had to leave the New Year's Eve party early on December 31st, 2002? He mentioned copper nitrate. Why did he mention copper nitrate? Because he said CuNO3, and that's how to calculate the molar mass of a compound. From Homewood Ski Area in South Lake Tahoe, California, this is Carpool Chemistry. Thanks for watching.